Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply join or create spaces on CapCut PC. Go to menu, go back to homepage, and then as you can see there is a spaces tab here. If it's not there, just make sure you've logged into your account. Then to create, you're just going to press the create or join, and if you want to create, press create. There's 3 maximum and I already have 3, so I can't make more. I can't also delete it, but you can rename and you can delete everything that's in it. If you just deleted it, as you can see, you can just delete stuff, and you can also rename it. So you can either create or then join again. Paste the password that you're going to get. The password is somewhere like here. So if you press the invite button, you'll get the link here, and then you'll be invited to their space. So yeah, that is it. If you don't have any spaces here yet, you can still create it, but you have the maximum option to create 3. You have the option to create a maximum of 3 spaces. There you go. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!